In this video, I'll show you how to create a drop-down menu in Shopify. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So let's begin. Now, creating a drop-down menu in Shopify can significantly enhance the navigation and user experience on your online store. So, for example, drop-down menus will allow you to organize and display a large number of product categories, collections, or pages neatly within a compact space. So this helps visitors easily find what they're looking for without cluttering the main navigation bar. Alright, now how do we create a drop-down menu in Shopify? So all you gotta do is log into your account using your credentials. And once you've done that, let's hover now to your dashboard. Alright, here, the first thing you need to do to set up a drop-down menus on your online store is simply you can add, remove, or edit menu items here. Click on that. Say, for example, if you have a lot of products, then you might want to add them to collections and then use a drop-down menu from the main menu to organize the collections. All right, so this is the nesting the menus to build drop-down menus. All right, here. Say, for example, you can build drop-down menus by creating or moving menu items so that they're nested below at a top-level item, such as this one right here. Now, the top-level item appears in the main menu on your online store, and the nested menu items appear in the drop-down menu, such as this one, right? The top-level item can have up to 2 levels of nested drop-down menus, such as this one. And all themes will display nested items as drop-down menus from the main menu. And some themes will display nested items as drop-down menus in other locations. Now, the appearance and location of the main menu and drop-down menus in your online store depend on your online store's theme, because some themes will display an icon beside the name of a drop-down menu in the main menu to help customers recognize that a drop-down menu is there. Alright? Now, to add a drop-down menu from the main menu, all you're going to do for a computer, for desktop, go to your Shopify admin to the dashboard and go to navigation. Click the name of your main menu. And of course, you need to choose one of the menu items to be the header for your drop-down menu. Or add a new menu item to the header. And if you don't want the header to link to anything, then you can enter this in the link field when you add the menu item. Of course, you need to add menu items to include in the new drop-down menu. Click Add Menu Item, enter the name of the menu item, and enter or select a destination for the link. Click and drag the menu items to nest below the header item, and click Save Menu. Okay? And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you all in the next one.